Brian, do you know how to speak English?
Yes.
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the U.S.?
3 weeks.
And your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No. I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes. I went there once on a business trip.
Jeff, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me?
I think the supermarket is closed now.
Oh, when does it close?
It closes at 7 o'clock Sundays.
That's too bad.
Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It opens at 8 o'clock.
All right. What do you want to do now?
Let's take a walk for a half an hour. My sister will get here at 8:30 and then we can all go out to dinner.
Where does she live?
She lives in San Francisco.
How long has she lived there?
I think she's lived for about 10 years.
That's a long time. Where did she live before that?
San Diego.
Charles, do you have any children?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 kids. A boy and a girl.
What are their names?
Jack and Stephanie.
How old are they?
Stephanie is 18 and Jack is 24.
Are they in school?
Stephanie is. She goes to school in Washington and Jack works in Florida.
What does Stephanie study?
She studied English.
Is she here now?
No, she's at school.
William, do you like studying English?
I like studying English, and I can read well, but speaking can be difficult.
It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, what do you want to know?
I have my book from class here. How do you say this word?
Laptop.
Sorry, I don't understand. What does that mean?
A laptop is a type computer that you can carry with you. Do you understand?
Yes, I think so. Can you say it again?
Laptop.
Laptop. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yes, that's right. That's very good.
Thanks. And this word? How do you pronounce this?
That word pronounced kitchen.
Thanks so much. You're a good teacher.
Thanks.
Hey, how's it going?
Not good. I lost my wallet.
Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen?
No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi.
Is there anything I can do?
Can I borrow some money?
Sure, how much do you need?
About $50.
That's no problem.
Thanks. I'll pay you back on Friday.
That'll be fine. Here you are.
What are you going to do now?
I'm going to buy some books, and then I'm going to the gas station.
If you wait a minute, I can go with you.
Okay, I'll wait for you.